Hey, good morning everyone, welcome back. How are we all? Stuart here. Going to give Eyes of Fortune a run. $3 bed. 2-cent denom. Oh, a major. It has been quite some time since we've hit the major. Oh, nice start, nice start. $20 mini. Can lightning strike twice? Nearly 23k. There is nothing there. Surprise! No. $95 bonus to start with. So let's up it. Let's go $5, eh? Hey, blocked. $11. It's a little bit of coin. $10. Let's drop it to $4. There, I thought we were smart. $3.60. Come on. Three more. Hey. Last one at $4. I nearly hit collect then. Let's try 10 cents, eh? $4.50. Half. Oh, how's that? We got a coin show. 77. Let's go to 5. Come on, 3 more. $9. Oh, that line hit was that big hit. That's not enough. Alright, let's try 5 cents. Come on, Tiger. $50 mini, $2.50 minor now. Come on, come on, come on. Hey. You rotten machine. This time. $5.50. Alright. Let's do it. Three more, 2 more, yes. $10 mini, $50 minor, $723 major. Please hit something. Thank you, thank you. $12.50. Oh, another mini. Oh, the major. Last spin. $87.50. That's not bad. Alright. $5. $15 in jacks. Come on. Oh, look at the size of those. $1. Come on. she doesn't like the $5 bets, does it? $2.50. Last one at 5. Alright, let's go back to $2.50, see how we go. A few birds, money back. Come on, where are the emeralds? More birds. $3.75. Come on. Hey. You can do it. I don't think it can do it. Four spins to go. Last one. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Eyes of Fortune, Lightning Link. Not bad session for $100. Not too bad at all. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it around, and I'll see you again shortly with another one.